Hello YouTube, I'm back with another unboxing with Nubi. Now the previous video was me unboxing the ring light that did not come with a stand. So I finally got my stand in today. I ordered it May 3rd and today is May 6th. It came about around 3-something, 4 o'clock. So we're gonna get to unboxing it. It is the stand. Hopefully it's the correct stand. I did a lot of research and was matching pictures up to try to get the correct stand. Hopefully it fits by the grace of the Most High. This is the box that it came in. You know, Amazon Smile. It's this long. So let's get right into it. Stuff. This is the stand. This is stand. Okay, so okay. Okay, you know that. Put that. Push down. And then tighten it up. This. I'm gonna bring it down some. Down. Now, we're gonna see if the ring lights work with this. Here's the ring light. I'm letting you all go through the process with me. Hopefully it works. And it works, guys. It actually works with it. Now, what I'm going to do is bring it down so you guys can see. Oh. Okay, the stand fits with the ring light. So I'm going to show you the difference. This is my normal lighting for my corner for my YouTube video above me. This is without my corner light so it's dark. So now, right now, I'm going to turn on the ring light and let you see the difference right now. When I say I'm living for this ring light, yes, honey, I'm living. I love this. So I'm going to give it a little, I'm turning it up. Yes. So I don't even have to turn on my light at the top anymore. Thanks to the ring light, I'm satisfied. I paid $49.95 for the ring light without the stand, and $24 and some change for the stand separately. So I still came out good. It came up to $74 and some change. And with the ring light and the stand and everything that come with it, it was saying $89, $99, $100 and something for the ring light, the whole set. And I brought my ring light for eBay for $49 and my stand from Amazon for $24. It came up to $74 and some change. I think I kind of did good, and I'm satisfied, you know. So I just wanted to share that with y'all in case y'all wanted to work out a deal with the ring light and the stand. Sometimes it's good to buy it separate. You know, you get save a couple of coins. That's about it. But instead of paying $100 and something, every penny count in my pocket. So I'm satisfied. So I'm just showing you guys that that's the highest light that it have right now. And then I'm going to turn it down all the way. Going to watch it dim down. You see? I'm satisfied. That's the lowest dim that it get. And you see everything. And I am satisfied. I'm happy. I was kind of scared because I was like, I hope this stand works. Because if I have to order another one, I'm going to be really upset. So that's why I tried to show you everything. So on this part 2 of the unboxing with Nubi ring light, I'm going to put the ring light link again. And I'm going to put the stand that you can order to go with the ring light, so you won't make no mistakes or take risks like I did, because I was very unsure if this stand worked with this ring light. I just brought it by luck, and I'm so happy that I made the right choice. I always research everything. I look at reviews. I go to YouTube as well and check different things, because YouTube can teach you a lot. I don't care what nobody say. When you finna order something, you copy and paste that into YouTube and it's gonna pop up. Somebody gonna help you. And I hope I'm a helping hand to someone as well. It's the way they help me. So that's it for now. Until next time, Nubi Dolls. Sit pretty, stay cute, and always inspire. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications and updates, one video at a time.